Welcome. Travel, explore, and enjoy India with me. Bharat Darshan, your travel host. In this video, we will tour Amba Tirtha, a beautiful and a dangerous waterfall in Karnataka. Before we start our tour, please subscribe to Bharat Darshan channel if you have not done it. Please like, share and comment after the virtual tour. Kalasa in Chikamagaluru district has 5 major sacred water spots or Panchatirthas at a very short distance from the town. Each of these spots is linked with a story from Hindu folklore, whose main one is Amba Tirtha, which is dedicated to goddess Parvati. It is situated on the river Bhadra. Little known to the world, Amba Tirtha is amazing on its own. It is extraordinary to stand at any point of this place to have a pleasant look at thickly wooded forests surrounding this place, with excellent varieties of flora and fauna. Amba Tirtha is well known for its gushing waters, gentle streams, and abstract formations in black rock. One can find a rich and green augmentation of wildflowers, exquisite varieties of butterflies, and it's a must place for photographers, videographers, and nature lovers. Amba Tirtha in Chikamagaluru district is about 4 kilometers from Kalasa, which is 323 kilometers from Bangalore. It is around 5 kilometers from Kalaseshwara temple of Kalasa. On the Hornadu road, after 2 kilometers, should take a left turn next to Hotel Prince of Kalasha. The journey of around 3 kilometers on the rough mud road will reach the destination. Amba Tirtha is a striking place and a popular location for shooting of movies. Many films are shot here. Ranadira is one example of a movie shot here. Amba Tirtha gained prominence because devotees come here as a part of pilgrimage to Sringeri and Hornadu. It is also famous for an engraving on the rocks where it is believed that the Draupadi and the Pandavas are shown with Akshaya Patra. Be very careful if you are planning to visit Amba Tirtha. It is beautiful and also dangerous. Many have died here because of their negligence. One should not venture into falls, which is around 90 feet deep. At Amba Tirtha, the water rushes very deep in between the rocks. At one point, there is a large boulder, a big square-shaped stone, placed horizontally on another rock. Locally, it is known as Bhimana Kallu or Madhvacharya Bande in Kannada. The huge boulder called Bhimana Kallu bears a Sanskrit inscription mentioning Sri Madhvacharya, the founder of Advaita school of philosophy. He brought and placed the boulder here with one hand to control the flow of river Bhadra, avoiding floods. The inscription is not visible from the ground level as it is on the top surface of the rock at 15 feet height. A ladder is required to reach there. This is the historical evidence of Sri Madhvacharya. Amba Tirtha can play host to many interests like homestays, trekking, camping, glamping, swimming, river rafting, and many more. The water sports and camping facilities can be arranged on contact with the Hotel Prince of Kalasa. They also arrange jeeps to the destination on a short trip basis. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the Bharat Darshan channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get updates from the channel. Bharat Darshan, Tour of India. Thank you.